My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. So here, let's go into any course. Let's go into 610, Managing with Excellence and Integrity. Now, an avatar is this little picture that you see, and it's going to come up on the screen. So let's go into a discussion, and we'll just scroll down to a recent one. And what you'll see is next to their names, you would see these boxes here. Okay, so if I collect these threads, it would look more like, with the name in it, it would look more like a Facebook thread rather than just a name. So here's how you do this. To add an avatar, you go into My Name. You go into your name in the upper right-hand corner, and then you click on Settings. Then you click on Personal Information, and then you click on Personalize My Settings. And then you choose, and I've already done this, so you go browse your computer, you find a picture that you want, and click on Custom Avatar Image. When you do that, you'll see that that will come up now. So when I click on Settings, it'll look very different than what it looked like before. So let's go to the right one. Now you see my avatar comes up everywhere. And so on the discussion thread, when you get your students to do this, it looks a little bit different. So instead of looking like this, where as I collect it, I'm looking down and just seeing names after blank names, it looks like this, where you start to see all of their avatars or pictures throughout their discussion boards. So again, and the reason that you're seeing this is because through the magic of time delay, I've gone and I've asked them, will you please all do the same thing, follow the directions, and then it's just a more user-friendly experience when you're seeing all their faces related to what they had to write. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.